Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel and happy October! I love this month so much. I cannot wait to show you my fun craft. It was from the Dollar Tree and I redid it for Halloween. Here's the list of things you will need for this craft today. So here is the decoration that I had purchased from the Dollar Tree, and it was cute. However, I really wanted to turn it into something different and for Halloween because I love Halloween. So I started by taking off the ribbon on the back. The glue came off easily for the most part. It did leave a little bit of marking after I pulled it off, so I decided I was just going to put my new ribbon on over top of that. So now I'm going to paint. This is white acrylic paint. This is the Apple Barrel brand. I got it at Walmart. I think if you buy it by itself, it's probably about 25 cents somewhere. It's really cheap. This one came in a pack and it was probably closer to $5. But I chose white for this project today. And I painted all 3 boards with my foam brush from the Dollar Tree. I like to sketch out what I'm going to be painting over. It makes me feel like I have the opportunity to fix any mistakes before I make it permanent. So I went ahead and I sketched out the letters on each board. Now, taking the puffy paint that I love to have on hand, I went over my pencil markings and made my letters more permanent. While my puffy paint was still wet, I put some glitter on to make it just a little shinier. To make it just a little bit easier on yourself, take the original ribbon and just measure it up against the new ribbon. The ribbon that I used today was from Joann Fabric, and it was about $3 or so, but it was more than enough for this project. Once all of your pieces are ready, it's time to put it together. You just line it all up, make sure it's as far apart as you want it to be when it's finished, and go ahead and I used a hot glue. You could use other glue if you wish, but hot glue is my favorite, and that hot glue gun is also my favorite. It is amazing and has lasted forever, even though it is small. Now, one thing that I did do to help make this look a little bit more finished was I left a little bit at the beginning and the end of my ribbon, and I just went ahead and hot glued it onto the back of the decoration so that it would look nice and finished. Judge me if you want, but I like to use as much of a piece of felt as possible. I actually do, this is another thing I keep on hand, but I, especially the colors like white and black that I use for a lot of things, I will use every piece possible. So on this one, I was able to squeeze in 3 little ghosts, and I have 3 little ghosts because I have 3 kids, and so I love to have 3 of everything when it comes to decorations. Now is the time to add on any little last minute decorations that you want to add on to the final product here. Just hot gluing them on as well. And here you go. It's all done. I really liked doing this one because it was cute more than scary, especially if you have little children. You really don't want too many things that are scary because obviously you don't want to frighten them. So this is just the right amount for my kids. If yours like it, you can go ahead and do it too. If not, you can leave those off. You can add polka dots somewhere on there. I was thinking black polka dots or gold even would look nice. You could just add a little orange bow or something. You could even do orange polka dots, really. Your choice. Make it your own and have fun. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and are maybe inspired to go to the Dollar Tree and find something of your own that you can make into something fun for Halloween. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you next week for another video.